Good day everyone, and you are welcome back to GLACC channel where we simplify total rewards. Today we are going to talk about something very important in payroll management, which is salary proration. Whether you are an HR professional, payroll officer, or just an employee trying to understand your payslip, this video is for you. Salary proration. Salary proration is a percentage of an employee's salaries that is calculated and paid based on how many days they actually work during a payroll month. And this happens in some cases such as new hires, employee who resigned or exited, or when an employee takes time off within a payroll month. For instance, if an employee is expected to work 20 days in a month but only work 10 days, the employee will not be paid the full salary. Instead, the employee will receive a prorated amount based on the 10 days work, and the calculation of the amount paid to that employee is called prorated salary. And proration of salaries are applicable to new joiners. When they are new joiners, when the employee joins in the middle or end of the month, the salary will be prorated. Exit resignation. When an employee exits earlier, either mid-month or before the month ended, proration will happen. Unpaid leave. Unpaid leave is another scenario if the employee was away without pay for part of the month. Proration will happen. Suspensions or prolonged absences. If an employee was suspended or not present at work for part of the month, the salary will be prorated. And how is salary prorated? Now let's dive into how to calculate prorated salary. At first, you need to know the proration method your company uses. It could be on calendar days, it could be working days. So whichever method you choose to use, you must be consistent. You must stay consistent with the method you use, especially if you are handling payroll for multiple clients. Like in consulting firm, each client might have a specific preference. You also need to be consistent. The proration method. The first method, the calendar days, like I said. The formula, days worked divided by total days in the month multiplied by monthly salary. Days worked divided by total days in the month multiplied by monthly salary. You are calculating, you are prorating based on calendar days. The second method, working days. The formula, days work divided by total work days in the month multiplied by monthly salary. The days work divided by total work days in the month multiplied by monthly salary. And on Excel, you can use a formula called net work days to calculate total working days. And this is applicable when there is no public holiday. And this is helpful when using work days method. And I hope you now understand how salary proration works and how to apply both calendar and working days method. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification for more total reward tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.